Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That's Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of 3dsmax, I will tell you how to design a hand up to this much level. Before telling you or designing you how to model you how to design the hand, do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends, colleagues, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest video notification. So without wasting any time, let's jump into 3dsmax. Take a box, come to the parameters of the box, make sure that you have on the edges faces. Now in length segments I want 5, width segment 4, height segment 1, and make it edit poly. Now here I want segments. Select the top and down segment or edges and make it a connect, connect. Now make it to this area. Now select this one polygon. Now make it chamfer. No, not chamfer. Connect. Same connect or command. Now what I will do, select the polygon, come to the parameter of the edit poly, select the polygon, these polygons, not the small polygons which I have given the segments, not that polygons. For fingers, I want to make fingers. Make sure that you have selected select by polygon. Select the second polygon, second finger from downside. Check it in perspective viewport, no, top viewport. Now select the second, third one polygon. Make it a little bigger. Fourth polygon. Make it little less as I want to make it a finger. This much is enough. Now extrude this thumb. Rotate it. Again, make it. Extrude it. Rotate it. Now extrude it again. Rotate it with the rotate tool. Extrude it. Rotate it. Now extrude it. Now apply turbo smooth. Now this is simple hand. How to design it, I have told you. Now if you want to render it, place a V-Ray camera. Now place a, first up I will apply the material, which is, let me, this material I want, so I should go for, as I like this chrome material, so I like chrome polish material. I also like the copper material. I like gold material. I will go with this copper polished. Go to render, material editor, compact material. From here metals, copper polished, I will apply material. Now I will apply turbo smooth. Now I will apply UVW map, and now I will apply, first go to the camera, select from here, make it film speed 240, film speed 240, shutter speed 40. Now place a dome light. Now select from here V-Ray camera 1, render, setup, render it. So this is simple, you can see it a hand. Now let me check it out. Go to the turbo smooth level. Okay, now from here select V-Ray camera 1. V-Ray camera 1, from here select by name and now render it. Now this is simple hand. With this I have completed the tutorial of the hand. I have told you how to design a hand. Now do subscribe my channel, that is Vasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get this latest videos notification. Have a good day. I will be back with the next tutorial.